how's it going everyone? I'm Masaki, I'm Japanese living in France. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Oyakodon. Oyakodon is a popular food at home cooking and restaurant food in Japan. The meaning of Oyakodon is a parent and child rice bowl. It sounds a little bit harsh and merciless, but you just need a few ingredients and the faster cook tastes amazing. Today I have 8 chicken, 2 eggs, half of onion, 50 ml of dashi stock, 2 small spoons of sugar, 1 big spoon of soy sauce, and 2 small spoons of sake, and rice. So some of you is wondering what dashi is. Dashi is bonito seaweed stock used in Japanese cuisine. It's the base of miso soup too. Cooking dashi takes time, so we usually use a powdered one at home cooking. I'm using this dashi powder for this cooking too. Usually you can find it at any Asian supermarket. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's slice the onion first. Next we're gonna chop up some shiso leaves. In Japan, chicken meat is deboned and cut clean already. Not in France, and I guess it's the same in many countries. So I'm gonna show you how to cut the bone and the fillet chicken leg. To cut the joint of bones, you can feel it when you push with your finger. Right here, so I'm gonna cut through. Make a small incision and cut through of the meat. Now the one part of bone is deboned, so I'm gonna take out the bone right here. Cut the meat, scrape off from the bone. And it's done. Okay, now let's clean a little bit. Then I'm gonna cut in dices. So I'm on diet now, so I'm gonna take out the skin of chicken. But you can keep it, it's up to you. Then I'm gonna cut in dices. Add 2 eggs in the bowl. And whisk the egg. Add 50 ml of dashi. And heat up until come to the boil. Turn off the heat. Then add the leftover eggs. Cover with lid and wait for another 1 minute. Put some rice in the bowl. Put oyakodon on the rice. And then put some shiso for color. Et voilà! Oyakodon is beautifully done. So the table is ready. Let's give it a try. Today I'm gonna drink 1664. It's a French beer. It's really good. And let's see how it goes with beer. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Are you getting hungry, aren't you? It tastes really good. C'est bon. Thank you for watching, guys. Please let me know any kind of idea of cooking on the comment below, and please subscribe to not miss coming up new videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Take it easy. Mata ne.